Plastics Technologies' Matt Nato spoke with Design Safety Engineering's Bruce Main following his Molding 2017 presentation on controlling hazardous energy in injection molding machines.
This is Bruce Main from Design Safety Engineering, and he gave a terrific talk this afternoon about the current state of safety hazards and the control of hazardous energy. So what do you think is the prospect now?
We were talking about the battle for the control of hazardous energy and highlighting the difference between what's going on with OSHA and what's going on in industry standards. There's a new standard, ANSI Z244.1. It's a new edition. It's the 2016 edition, just published last December. And in that standard, it really advances the idea of being able to use alternative methods to control hazardous energy. That's an important advancement. It existed in the 2003 version of the standard, but a lot more information is provided on how do you do that. And this would allow you to use, say, for instance, interlock controls on the operator gate to do certain tasks inside the machine where you don't have to lock out if you do this properly. And it does need to be designed, for instance, to the B151.1 requirements in the standard.
Okay. Unfortunately, there are still conflicts with OSHA's current interpretations of things like mold changes.
Yes, there are. I mean, the requirements for the control of hazardous energy under OSHA were actually published in 1989. So those requirements now are over 25 years old, and OSHA still expects employers to comply with those requirements, which is an unfortunate thing. The Z244.1 committee has tried to put out to OSHA and invited them to use the new standard under industry. We don't know how that's going to play out, but there are certainly some conflicts where OSHA says you absolutely have to lock out, and the industry standard gives you some options on how to do something different.
We can only hope that they will take some advice from the knowledgeable people in the industry.
We hope so.
Okay, thank you.